What a fine day everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can send your crypto from Metamask to Trust Wallet. So for those people who do not know crypto wallet, well, crypto wallet is a digital wallet for storing your digital crypto. Since crypto is digital, you can't store it in your normal regular wallet. That's why you need digital wallets like Binance and Metamask to store it. Now with that said, Binance and Metamask is one of the most securest and safest wallet out there, so you guys can use it as well. And remember, just a fair warning, Metamask is a wallet which runs on the Ethereum network. So if you're trying to transfer in and transfer out crypto, it's going to charge you a lot of fee because Ethereum network has one of the highest fee. So like for $10 transaction, it's going to charge you $50 transaction fee. So just keep that in mind, all right? Now remember this, now in Metamask, you can change your network as well, but by default, it's going to be Ethereum. So just keep that in mind, all right? Let's get into the video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, ask us in the comment and let's move on. What you want to do is you want to go to Trust Wallet and choose which crypto you are transferring. So for this video, I'm transferring Ethereum. So I'm going to click on Ethereum on my Trust Wallet over here. And over here, click on copy. And after you copy the wallet address of Ethereum, what you want to do is you want to open your Metamask. And after opening your Metamask, what you want to do is you want to click on versus Ethereum because we are transferring Ethereum. All right. Now remember, if you're transferring Ethereum, you need to copy the wallet address of Ethereum. If you copy the wallet address of Bitcoin and transfer Ethereum, your Ethereum will be lost. So just a fair warning. Once you're over here, click on send. And once you're over here, paste the wallet address which you copied from your Trust Wallet and click on next. After you do that, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer and then click on next. Once you do that, the amount of Ethereum which you enter over here is going to be transferred from your Metamask to your Trust Wallet. So yeah, that's how you guys can transfer your crypto from Metamask to Trust Wallet. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And if you guys want to see some videos like this into the future, turn on the notification as well. And bye bye everybody.